So here we are back at the store. We've got some rental items going out today, so I've got to get those ready so that way they can go out and people can go camping and have a good time or whatever it is that they're trying to do. So all this is going out. It's a tent, 2 chairs, cooking utensils, and pots and pans. And then I got to grab one of these stoves. I'll have to do a video with all this stuff set up. We'll just post it on our Facebook. People can kind of see what it looks like when you rent all the camping gear for you when you go camping. I think I'll make sure I got the right tent. The folks that rented the camping gear items, they've got their stuff and they're ready to go have a good time this weekend. And man, I don't know when I did my sunglasses. It is bright and getting hot out here.